everybody, we are here to kick off the summer season, and we're going to do that by making one of the most refreshing cocktails, and that is ranch water. You've probably heard of ranch water. It originated in the late 90s in Austin, Texas, and it only requires 3 ingredients. You will need Topo Chico mineral water. This is mineral water that's bottled in Mexico. You can use either the plain mineral water, but this one is lime, so that's your choice. We're going to use the lime mineral water for this cocktail, and you will need a quality Blanco tequila. So we're using Silver Patron, and you will want to use limes. And we're going to make this cocktail in Collins glasses. However, I'm going to show you a second way to make your ranch water. Let's start with our lime. I am going to add 3 or 4 slices of lime to this glass. But to me, I'm thinking that maybe that might be about ½ a lime. None of this has to be absolutely exact. You can create this cocktail to fit whatever flavors you like. If you like a lot of lime, use a lot of lime. Don't be afraid of it. Let's add this to our Collins glass. Now let's include 3 ounces of tequila. Yes, 3 ounces, because you know everything's a little bigger in Texas. They always go big. So there's 2 and about 1 more. There we go. How about some ice? Make it nice and cold. And we're going to top it off with Topo Chico. And you'll remember I always say try to keep your ingredients as cold as possible. It always makes for a more refreshing cocktail if everything's cold. Now let's garnish with our lime. And how about a straw? Let's try. Oh wow, that is fabulous. Now I'm using the lime Topo Chico and garnished with lime, and I have used lime juice. And still, if you like more lime, add it to it. This is perfect for sitting on the patio and enjoying the afternoon. This is not an extremely formal way of serving your ranch water. It looks nice, yes, but let's go with a very casual way of serving it. If you're at your lake house or you're at the beach, something like that, you might want to go a bit more casual, and let me show you how. Now we topped off this cocktail with Topo Chico, but if you want a much more casual way of serving your ranch water, use your Topo Chico bottle. You can see I still have quite a bit of Topo Chico left. Then add your tequila from a spouted bottle. And the reason I do this is because it's almost impossible to pour your tequila from this large bottle into this small bottle. So I put the tequila in this spouted bottle and I add about 3 ounces. I'm just guessing. Okay, and we're going to add lime. Let's squeeze that lime into our bottle. Drop the lime down in there. I told you it is a much more casual way of serving. And then serve it with a lime on the side. In addition to this, if you would like, you could add a splash of simple syrup to your cocktail, but be cautious because you're leaning toward a margarita when you start adding all of these ingredients. But if that's what you are looking for, go ahead and do it. Also, you can take a pinch of salt, add that to your cocktail. I prefer to do this in the bottle form. Just add a little bit of salt with that tequila and enjoy. One of the best ways for you to serve these in the bottle is to pre-prepare, say a half a dozen of them, put them in a bucket of ice, and then set them on your patio, and everyone can just grab one. They're cold, refreshing, and ready to go. Now you know your guests. Do they prefer a slightly more formal presentation, or do they enjoy super casual bottles in a bucket with ice? Well, either way, this is one of those cocktails that you are going to be able to put together, not be away from your guests long, and be back out enjoying the evening. And it only requires these 3 ingredients. I hope you've enjoyed this cocktail video. If you have, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Have you made this, and have you added anything different than I've mentioned? I'd love to know, because this is a favorite in our house. And if you are not a subscriber, please tap the subscribe button. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram. Bye.